Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Arsenal home shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, as I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any comments, questions or messages, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, this shirt has got the Arsenal fans rather happy because of the retro looking cannon. And I've got to say, it does look really quite smart actually. As I said, this one was from bestzv1.com. All their details will be in the description of the video. The shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag, and on the flip side it does have the helpful ones. I've got to say, I actually quite like this Adidas logo on this shirt. I wasn't keen on it as some of the others that I've seen, but I think with the simplicity of the Arsenal crest and the simplicity of the Adidas, it just looks rather quite nice actually. So what I'll do as well is I'll try and leave a DHgate link in the description as well, because I know some people still prefer purchasing from them, so we'll try and find one for the usual seller that I use. But what we'll do now is we'll get the shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Arsenal home shirt for the 24-25 season from bestzv1.com. So we have the front of the shirt, and it has just got a standard collar line around it. The Adidas stripes have been embroidered in. God, it feels like a real nice material actually. We've got the Premier League patch which has been heat pressed on, likewise the no room for racism. The Adidas been embroidered in, and the Arsenal cannon, which is getting a lot of praise, has been embroidered in. I'll say that Adidas looks quite big. I'm not sure if that's how it's meant to be, but yeah, just from looking at this, it does look rather big. The Emirates Fly Better has been heat pressed on. That feels lovely. I've got to say, actually, this material, I'm not sure what the difference is between this material and the ones that are normal, but this feels really, really nice. It feels so silky and so smooth, but yeah, such a nice material. It is aero ready. This is the fan version, and on this sleeve we have Visit Rwanda. And again, that has been heat pressed on. There are a few creases from it being in the bag, but all in all though, it looks absolutely perfect. I've got to say, I am a massive fan of this shirt. I don't know whether it's the retro look to it, but yeah, just such a big fan of this one. So I can't wait to see Arsenal wear this next season. I've got a soft spot for them, so maybe that's another reason, but no, honestly, I think this looks absolutely outstanding, this shirt. As we flip it around to the back, no name or number on it. Obviously, it's a bit early to get names and numbers at the moment. Oh, this little banding around the back here is actually the same. It's been embroidered in, as you can see the stitching, a bit like the stripes. Did make me notice there is a loose thread up there, but in all honesty, nothing to worry about with that one. I do like this blue as well, actually. Is that the front? So it was on the front as well. This is it really is shouting retro at me, and I can't remember what Arsenal shirt I'm thinking of. But if anybody knows, leave a comment below and let me know which shirt this looks like, or it just feels like it's a retro one, and it's just something that's getting into my head, but I'm not sure which one. Maybe is it Mark Overmars sort of era? Really can't remember, but there's definitely something. So yeah, if you do know which one I mean, please let me know below, because I'm gonna pull my hair out over this one. Okay, we've moved it to the inside of the shirt, and as always you get the little Adidas tag there with a product code and QR code. Obviously it's not for this shirt because these are replicas. It's going to be something probably completely off. Something Adidas though, but yeah, completely off. You can see here where the stripes have been embroidered into material. That looks really nice. The Visit Rwanda, the creases from the bag, not on the actual emblem itself, which is nice to see. This side again, got the Adidas stripes with the Premier League patch and the no room for racism. Actually, this has probably been glued on, actually, look, because you've got the darker colour in there, and that tends to tell you that it's been glued on. The Adidas embroidered in, that feels nice and looks good. Likewise, the Arsenal cannon looks good. You have got the card that's around there. That can be removed if you put the shirt in some warm water. I wouldn't put it in boiling water, just a nice warm temperature, and those should start peeling off nicely. We do have our washing instructions down here. Hand wash setting only and flip it inside out. When you come to dry it, do not put it in your tumble dryer, just let it hang dry. Otherwise the things like the Fly Emirates or yeah, it is Emirates Fly Better, the patches here will start peeling off. So yeah, make sure that when you do dry it, just let it hang dry. But the stitching on the inside all looks really good actually. I think Kanu was another player that I'm thinking of wearing this sort of shirt. So yeah, see, I can't get it out of my head. Someone let me know which one it was. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt. It does say size XL, it is a fans one. So yep, I would say this is going to be more like your XL size. So I wouldn't worry too much about sizing up. Sizing up is more so for the player spec ones. It's probably one of those questions I get asked the most is, should we be sizing up? And right now, these shirts are very much lifelike. So yeah, if you're going for a player one, they are a tighter fit as standard. So they're the ones that I would definitely size up on, if not two. But when it's a fan one, you can pretty much go for what size you buy normally. This feels, honestly, I wish you could feel how nice this material feels. It feels so, so good. And there is our Arsenal home shirt for the 24-25 season. I've said it throughout the video, this is definitely one of my favourite Arsenal shirts that I've seen in quite a while. It's got a retro feel, it's got a fresh feel, it's got everything going for it. And I do like the standard cannon. Going back in time, it would have been nice if they could have used the retro Adidas emblem as well. But just having the cannon, yeah, it just oozes retroness. And as most of you who have been around a while will know, I do love a good retro shirt. But so this has the best of everything. It looks fresh, it looks new, it looks good, it looks retro. Absolutely spot on. The seller, bestzv1.com. All details for them will be in the description of the video. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave that below as well and I'll get back to you. And if someone can tell me what shirt this makes me think of, then yeah, please leave me that info as well. I'll try and leave a DHgate link for this as well, because I know some people do prefer buying them from there. So if I can find it from my usual seller that I use, I'll leave that below as well. But the seller, bestzv1.com. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.